In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare credit cards on NerdWallet using Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to nerdwallet.com/creditcards. Once the page loads, you'll be on a section designed to help you explore different credit card options in one place. This is useful if you're trying to narrow down choices and want a clearer view of what different cards offer before making any decisions. When you arrive on the page, take a moment to look through the available card categories. You'll typically see options such as rewards, cashback, or travel. These categories help organize cards based on the kind of benefits they focus on. For example, cashback cards are often geared toward earning a percentage back on purchases, while travel cards may offer points, miles, or travel-related perks. Choose the category that best matches what you're looking for and click on it to filter the list. After selecting your preferred category, start reviewing the cards shown on the page. As you browse, look for the comparison checkboxes next to each card. These boxes allow you to select the cards you want to evaluate side by side. You can check up to 3 credit cards, which is a good number because it gives you enough variety to compare without making the screen feel too crowded or overwhelming. As you choose your cards, try to focus on options that genuinely match your spending habits or financial goals. For instance, if you spend more on everyday purchases, a cashback card may be easier to evaluate. If you travel frequently, comparing travel-focused cards can make the results more relevant and helpful. Once you've selected up to 3 cards, click the Compare button. This will bring up a side-by-side comparison that allows you to review important details more clearly. Pay close attention to the interest rates, annual fees, and reward structure. These are often the key factors that help you understand the total value of a card. A card with strong rewards may still come with higher fees, so seeing everything together makes it easier to weigh the trade-offs. Take your time as you review the comparison. Looking at the details side by side can help you spot differences that are easy to miss when viewing cards one at a time. That's it. By visiting the credit cards page, choosing a category, selecting up to 3 cards, and using the compare feature, you can quickly get a more organized view of your options and make your research process much easier.